Hey guys, I'm Q Park, and today we're gonna find out how New Yorkers react when they see someone watching VR porn on the subway, but their headphones are unplugged.
I don't think he knows that it's become unplugged when it's not in his headphones.
He don't even care. That's like he's slapping the ass. He is really into this, ladies and gentlemen. Look at him. Oh, he licking something. Lick it. Yeah, that's right. Hey. Hello. Welcome. No, I know. Don't feel embarrassed. It's all right. You a grown man at the end of the day. You hear me? You are a star, baby. I've never been happier in my life.
Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below because we got a lot of new crazy videos coming soon. Until then, keep your headphones plugged in. That was Toy.